people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have an inspiring story of Shashikala. She's a YouTuber, and I'll be posting a link of her channel in the description box. You can go through her videos. Actually, she started in 2016 on 1st November posting her videos because her sons insisted that she has amazing cooking skills and she should be posting videos. However, the lady was very shy and she said, I'm in my 50s, I'm 50 and I just don't want to explore. And okay, if you are insisting, she has 3 kids and she was from a most backward village of UP where it's considered age 50 is a taboo and considered to be very old and all, because they got married at 15, 16 and they have big kids at that age. And in that village, her sons have helped when technology came, and she only put one condition, that my face should not be visible. Then they just kept on posting videos, with not much views. However, they just kept consistently posting videos. So after 1 year, in 2018, almost 1 year, you can say, less than 1 year, she posted a video of mango pickle, and that is the time when within few hours there were more than 1 million views and her channel became hit. And after that, there is no looking back, and she became YouTube star, and now she earns 70,000 per month. So my dear friends, we can learn from this story, and that we should be never stopping working. I mean, if opportunity comes, you should always say yes. However, she said that my face should not be visible. Now she is very comfortable to present herself in front of world. So wellness mantra on the basis of this story, and today's wellness mantra is, whenever opportunity comes, you just keep your opportunity with open arms. And how we can do that? Why we are closed? It is because our roots are closed. So how to open up your roots? That is connected to your root chakra. So I have told you about chakras earlier also. However, this time I'll just tell you one beautiful tip. If you cannot go outside, if you cannot walk on grass, if you cannot go out, just do one thing. Sit on the floor, not on the bed or chair. You just sit on the floor, or you just walk barefoot in the house only. You feel connected to Mother Earth. You feel connected to your roots. Then your root chakra will enhance, and see the life changes. You will have account balance like Jeff Bezos or Bill Gates. Yeah, that's the root chakra is very good. If your bank balance is big, if you have big bank balance, if you have good family and everything. So this is the wellness mantra, which is very simple, which we all can do today just for 10-15 minutes. So please keep on sharing these videos and these wellness mantras with everyone whom you know and your loved ones. And thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.